At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting an auto repair business can be a rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are 10 tips to help you get started. 1. Create a solid business plan. Clearly define your business goals, target market, and services. Outline your startup costs, operating expenses, and revenue projections. Develop a marketing and sales strategy to attract customers. 2. Legal considerations. Choose a suitable business structure, sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation, and register your business. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. Secure insurance coverage for your business, including liability and property insurance. 3. Location matters. Select a convenient and visible location for your auto repair shop. Consider the local zoning regulations and ensure compliance. Ensure ample space for vehicle storage and repair work. 4. Invest in quality equipment and tools. Purchase reliable and up-to-date tools and equipment for efficient repairs. Keep up with industry advancements and invest in technology that can enhance your services. 5. Hire skilled technicians. Build a team of qualified and certified mechanics. Provide ongoing training to keep your staff updated on the latest automotive technologies. 6. Build strong supplier relationships. Establish relationships with reputable suppliers for auto parts and equipment. Negotiate favorable terms for bulk purchasing to reduce costs. 7. Focus on customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Be transparent about pricing and communicate effectively with customers about repairs. 8. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity for your auto repair business. Utilize both online and offline marketing channels to reach your target audience. Encourage customer reviews and testimonials to build trust. 9. Embrace technology. Utilize software for managing appointments, inventory, and customer records. Create a user-friendly website that highlights your services, contact information, and customer reviews. 10. Maintain a clean and organized workspace. A clean and organized shop not only improves efficiency but also instills confidence in customers. Implement proper waste disposal practices and adhere to environmental regulations. Remember, success in the auto repair industry often comes from a combination of technical expertise, excellent customer service, and effective business management. Regularly assess and adapt your strategies to stay competitive in the market. That concludes the video. Now it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content.